Trident Bedding System is controlled and managed by an automations package. Based on specific input data provided by sensors and predefined event actions, the controls ensure optimal performance of the system even under changing conditions. The automation system includes PLC and VFD motor controls as required, sensors, air valve actuators, touch panels, UL-listed enclosed industrial control panels, and a secure internet router. Standard features include individual component monitoring, embedded input data configuration, Ethernet IP communication, text notification, remote access function, total runtime monitoring, and I/O. The automation system is specifically developed for each installation. The Trident Bedding Recovery System is installed with durable stainless steel platforms, railings, and staircases. The components are designed with safety and ease of maintenance in mind. Features like removable safety railings or the I-beam combined with the screen removal tool can make an operator's work a lot easier.